Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for prelims. In this video, we'll be discussing about the importance, the role and privileges of the speaker in Indian parliamentary system. The powers and privileges for the speaker in Lok Sabha are synonymous to that of the powers and privileges for the speaker in case of legislative assembly. The speaker is elected by the Lok Sabha from among its members, and this date of election is decided by the president. The process goes like this. After the new Lok Sabha is constituted by the Election Commission, the President administers oath of membership to the pro tem speaker. The pro tem speaker in turn administers the oath of membership to the remaining members of the Lok Sabha, and the pro tem speaker also has another duty to conduct the election for the speaker. The speaker remains in office and his life is synonymous to that of the Lok Sabha term, but he does not vacate the office immediately after the expiry of the Lok Sabha. Rather, he continues till the newly elected Lok Sabha meets. The speaker has to vacate his office in either of these three conditions. That is, he can submit his resignation to the deputy speaker, or if he is no longer a member of the Lok Sabha, or he is removed from the office of the speaker, and the removal process needs to be carried out through an absolute majority, that is 545 by 2 plus 1. The point to be remembered here is, during the process of removal, the speaker cannot preside the Lok Sabha. The speaker is the head of the Lok Sabha and also its representative. He is also the guardian of the powers and privileges of the members of the House. So the speaker derives his power from three sources, that is Constitution, Rules of Procedure and the Parliamentary Convention. If a dispute arises in a House regarding the provisions of the Constitution, he is the final interpreter. The speaker does not vote in the first instance, but rather exercises the casting vote, that is in case of a tie, the vote of the speaker decides the fate of the bill. He also decides the question of defection of members and is also exempted from the defection process. The speaker has an important privilege, that is, if he becomes a member of any parliamentary committee, he automatically becomes its chairperson. Therefore, he is also the chairperson of the Business Advisory Committee, Rules Committee and the General Purpose Committee. Please pause the video and solve for this question. Consider the following statement. Speaker of the Legislative Assembly shall vacate his or her office if he ceases to be a member of the Assembly. Whenever the Legislative Assembly is dissolved, the Speaker shall vacate his or her office immediately. The correct answer is A. As we have discussed, the Speaker does not immediately demit his office. Thank you.